Hello, everybody. Welcome back to The Honest Budget. I'm your honest budgeter, and I've got to be honest, guys. We're a little bit over halfway through the year, and I've done amazing progress towards my goals so far. I'm actually a little bit ahead, so I just wanted to take a moment to pat myself on the back and be super proud of that progress. But we do have more important things to get into today, so let's see what I can make happen. So as always, before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button because over here on this channel, we are learning, we are improving on old habits, and we are building new ones. So make sure that you are a part of that. Let's get into what my budget looks like for this week. You also might hear Aspen in the back chewing on his bone because he always picks the perfect time to do that. So for my paycheck, we have $1,339.05. And then for cash, I have $184. So we have $1,523.05 that we're working with today. We don't have anything to deal with for debt. And then my recurring bills are pretty much as normal. We are doing a little bit more of a hefty buffer lately just because I have been having some extra expenses. Plus, I've been just kind of buying things a little bit here and there and letting myself have a little bit of freedom because I've been doing so well. So we're just kind of including that within the recurring budget. So I'm just kind of stuffing my entire paycheck and then just dealing with what I have for cash to stuff with that. So we are just cash stuffing the $184 today. So getting into the first binder, car will be the first thing that we are stuffing today. I am definitely needing to schedule my brakes to be replaced probably this week. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. It is on my to-do list. So we're stuffing $60. As always, my 10s go into this envelope, and then I am including a little bit extra just to speed up the process for my brakes right now. So I have $500 that I already saved and then put away into my high yield savings, which was such a good plan because I was really surprised at the amount that I made from interest this month. It was about $20 more than last month. So I'm really grateful for that. All right. So in this envelope, I now have 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290. And then hopefully my brakes won't be that much. I was quoted at the dealership about $700 something dollars. But I do have a friend that has a good car repair man or whatever that he went to. Mechanic, that's obviously the word. Couldn't find it there. But yeah, she recommended me to somebody and she said that I think she got her brakes replaced for about $300 cheaper than what I was quoted. So we're going to try that one out. We'll see how that goes. So as you can see, I have a lot of ones here today. I don't want to count those out. I just don't feel like it. Plus this one is not really a big priority. It's just one that I like to slowly but surely add into. So that's why all my ones go into there. So we're just adding $4 today, really moving at a snail's pace with this one, but hopefully I really won't need it. It's just as like an emergency thing. I think I have $2,500 saved, so that's not too bad. And then if I ever need like a random surgery or something, luckily my insurance is really great, but then I also have some to be able to cover the extra costs that this insurance does not cover. So going into the next binder here, we are just adding $20 into emergency fund. So I now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280, plus I believe I have about 24,000 in there. So all making me that money in my high yield, which I'm very grateful for. And then month ahead, we're adding $20 in. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then I pull from this here and there if I need to. I don't often need to, but it seems that before I hit that $500 mark, I do tend to pull from it. Okay, so we're just adding $20 into me stuff. And then we're not adding anything into these because it has my direct deposits already going in there. This is definitely starting to get a little old. I'm gonna need a new binder here, but it's so cute. I really like it. I'm not sure what's making it that color, but maybe it's just me constantly grabbing it and like the lotion on my hands, but I'm definitely going to need to restock here soon. All right, so getting into the fun binder now. We're stuffing travel today, and we're just stuffing the 5s into there, which is $20. So we now have 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So almost 100 in travel. And then I think I have 1,000. Okay, I thought that almost looks like 1,500, but no, I have 1,000 in travel. So again, this one's gonna move at a snail's pace. But yeah. And then the other one that we're stuffing today is Christmas. We're keeping everything else out of the loop today. So for Christmas, we're stuffing 40 into there. So we now have 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430. Dang, really happy about the progress that I've made for this one. So I should be at that $500 mark pretty soon. I'll deposit it, have it make me some money in my high yield, and then I'll just keep adding into it so that I can just buy myself extra at the end of the year. Because if you didn't know, my birthday's also around Christmas. So I like to buy people gifts, and I like to buy myself a couple things. So anyways, that's all I have for you today. Nice, short, sweet, to the point. That's kind of the theme lately, but it's just what we're working with. It's all I've got. So, you know, what can you do? But anyways, thank you so much for sticking around. If you've made it this far, please just like, comment, subscribe, all of the things that help my channel out. But otherwise, I hope that you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.